if you lost your job, it doesn't matter why. It doesn't matter if it's restructuring. It doesn't matter if it's cost cutting. Maybe even you've done something wrong. If you lost your job, you have to get legal advice. The law is not simple when it comes to termination of employment, and you have to understand when your entitlements take place, what those entitlements are, and how to pursue them. There's so much misinformation out there. You can go online. I've seen people getting legal advice about termination of employment in a golf message board.
That was the genesis for this show.
Well, it is, exactly. Exactly. You're not going to go to a golf message board if you have a medical problem and saying, should I be worried about that growth on my back? Right. By the same token, you're not going to, or should not go to a message board of any kind if you have a legal problem. So when you lose your job, in many cases, John, in over 90% of cases, when someone loses their job, they're offered completely inadequate severance. And I'm not saying inadequate to the tune of, $1,000 or $2,000. I'm saying inadequate to the tune usually of tens of thousands of dollars or more. So if you're holding that severance letter in your hand, without even looking at it, John, I can almost assure you that whatever it provides is inadequate. You need to make sure that it's right. Once you've signed off on that severance letter, it's too late to do anything about it. You and I have spoken together with dozens and dozens of people that have contacted me after they had signed off on the package when it was too late to do anything about it. So don't let that happen to you. You have to get legal advice. It starts by calling me or going to severancepaycalculator.com. And in most cases, the good news is, John, that these issues can be resolved very quickly.
Lost your job? Employment law myth number 5.
There's no point in calling a lawyer because my employer treated me fairly.
Fact. Over 90% of people are offered much less than they are owed. Always go to employmentlawyer.ca and check with the employment lawyer first.